how do you get more views on your Instagram Reels? That's the topic of today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so look at this, my Instagram account. Look at this, 13.9K views, 15K views, 26. And this one right here, this Instagram Reels, 221,000 views. Not just that, let me actually scroll further down, and I want to show you something really interesting that happened on another one of my reels. So look here, 794,000 views. So some of these reels have like 10 times more views. Why? I'm gonna share with you 3 different tips that you can try and test on your Instagram account to get more reach and engagement on your Instagram reels. And obviously this helps a lot to grow your account, to get more reach, get more followers. But also, if you are like me, and let's say if you have access to the ads on Reels program, which I do, you're able to make more income. So here you go. So the more views I get, the ads on Reels monetization is the more views you have, the more money you make. It's kind of like a YouTube's AdSense program. All right, now let's jump into tip number 1. So I want to show you this video. So this is the reel. All the other ones are like 10K, 20K, 30K, but this one is 220K, so 10 times more views. So I want to play this video. Let me mute this so it doesn't interfere with the audio. So here's the video start. The new text to image AI tools. So I show people different AI images generated by this tool, and then I show them how to use this tool by entering a prompt and generate. And then here is the magic. Let me pause this. So I don't tell them what the tool is. I give them instruction how they can find out what the tool is. So I'm creating a FOMO. Tip number 1 is creating a FOMO. So in this case, I said check the bio link for more for this tool and plus 100 other AI tools. That's it. So in this video, they don't know what that tool is, and it's gone. The video is gone. So I don't give them the complete answer. I create the FOMO with my Instagram reel, and then they have to take an extra step. And because of that, they engage with it. Sometimes they ask in the comment. Actually, some people in the comments, they ask what the tool was. So tip number 1 is create a FOMO with your Instagram reels. And now tip number 2, by the way, let me also show you the other reel, which is similar. The reel that had 794,000 views. Let me find that because I want to show you. I did the similar thing in that reel. I created FOMO for people. Here you go. So here is that reel, 794,000 views. So I'm gonna play this. So text to video AI tool, no watermark. And then I show them how to use that tool by entering the prompt. And then you hit submit, and then here you go. I tell them comment video to get this tool. So if you step back, I'm not telling them what the tool is. I'm not giving them the complete answer in this Instagram reel. They have to do something else to get that, right? And then when they enter video comment, I send them a DM. By the way, if you want to learn, this is a great strategy to grow your Instagram, to get massive views, where when people comment videos, for example, let me actually go inside here. So when they enter the video comment, the word video, I send them, hey, sending you the link in the DM. So I'm using a tool to do this. So this is where you can have your audience leave a comment, a specific word on your reels, and then you can send them a message, send them a DM on Instagram. If you want to learn more about how to do it, let me know in the comments and I can create a separate tutorial for you. All right, so that was our tip number 1, creating FOMO. Tip number 2 is sharing your reels to stories. So this is something I do a lot. For example, this video, I would just kind of share this to my own story like this, and I would ask a simple question. Sometimes my question is, hey, do you know about this tool? And then people would engage with it, get me more reach on Instagram stories, and then eventually to my Instagram reel. So let me see if I can show you. If I go to my archives, and then here's my stories archives, because I want to show you the way I do it. Here you go. And it's just actually same video. That's so neat. have you seen this new AI tool? And then I ask people simple yes and no. So I share the reel to my stories, and then I ask them an engaging question by using this sticker. So not just don't just share to the story. I also create use one of the engaging stickers or engaging elements from your stories and ask them a question so they have a reason to engage. And now tip number 3, and it's actually really simple. Use or experiment with trending music on Instagram. So that's one thing I've seen. If you are scrolling on Instagram, keep an eye on this icon at the bottom where you see the audio that's used. If it's a up arrow, right, like this, that means this audio is trending. So experiment or use these audios, because these can also help you get more views on your Instagram reels. Now if you have any question about Instagram reels, making more money on Instagram with ads on reels program, or maybe you want to learn how to use Instagram so people can leave comment and then you can reach out to them. By the way, you can also use that to generate leads for your business. Let me know and I can create answer your question or create a separate video on that. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.